Now let's take a look at the DatedIf function. The DatedIf function think date difference. Alright, return the number of days, month or year between two dates. So the first two arguments are the two dates. The third argument is D for day, M for month, or Y for year, depending on whether you want the different in day, month, or year. So to get the number of days between the two dates, below type in DatedIf this, right? So DatedIf B1, B2, between the two dates, how many days between the two dates? That will return how many days for you, right? Okay. Use the DatedIf function to get the number of month between the two dates. Hence, the third argument is month, right? So again, DatedIf B1, B2, instead of day, you put in month. So it's gonna be an M, right? And then use DatedIf function to get the number of year between the two dates. So it's the same thing, it's just changing the D to a year, which is a Y. Okay. Below is a table of former employee at a company with their start date and end date. Use the date function to get the number of days Betty worked for the company. So again, first the DatedIf function, you can just type it in, or in this case I copy it, and then between the two dates, so which date are you gonna go between? So it's gonna be for Betty, so you have to look for Betty here, right, comma here, and then comma, and then what you have, like the day, right? I think it's double quote, if I'm not mistaken. Let's see. Oh, there we go. Yeah, double quote. My bad. Syntax error. Should be that, right? So between the two dates, once you start and once you leave, right? Use the DatedIf function to get the number of month John worked for the company. So same thing, John, which is here, the two date is gonna be C, right? C, comma, D, right? And then we're looking for the month that John worked, so just M. Change from D to M. So that's how you get the month, right? Use DatedIf to get the number of year Carol worked for the company. Again, it's pretty easy. From here, you look for Carol, so she is here. So first day is here, so you can click here, comma, here, and then you change it to year, right? Okay. And the last one is the use DatedIf function to get the number of days might work for the company. So number of days, again, might's gonna be down here. So change it to might, right? And then day, right? So that's it, right? Okay, and thank you so much for watching my video. Please hit the like button and subscribe so that I can bring more video like this to a viewer like you. And again, thank you and see you next time.